everyone, welcome back to day 9 of our 21 days English challenge. Today's topic is very powerful and I promise you this lesson will change the way you speak. You are going to learn polite ways to say no in English. Saying no is not always easy. Sometimes we hurt others or sound rude. But today I will teach you smart and polite ways to refuse without being disrespectful. So first one is simple and polite way. I am sorry but I can't. Example, suppose that your friend can say, you come to my house right now? You can answer like this, I am sorry but I can't, I have some work to finish. Second one is giving a reason. I'd love to but I have other plans. Example, colleague, can you stay late today? I'd love to but I have other plans this evening. Third one is offering an alternative. I can't right now but maybe later. Example, friend, can we go out? You, I can't right now but maybe later in the evening. Professional way, thank you for thinking of me but I'll have to pass this time. Example, someone, would you like to join this project? You, thank you for thinking of me but I'll have to pass this time. Fifth one is saying no without saying no. I really appreciate it but I am not available. Example, someone, can you help me move furniture tomorrow? You, I really appreciate it but I am not available. Always remember saying no is not a bad. It is a self-respect. You don't have to say yes for everything. Practice these polite ways of saying no and you will see how much more confident and respected you feel. Keep in your mind saying no politely equal to confidence plus respect. So from today practice saying no politely. Use these sentences in real life with your friends, family and colleagues and notice how people respect you more. If you like today's lesson, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for day 10 of our challenge.